New project came in, guys. Audi S8. Whole thing's gonna be wrapped satin black. Right now it's a gray color. We're also gonna be doing a chrome delete on the whole thing. So pretty much everything is getting blacked out. Very curious to see how this whole wrap's gonna look with the HF2s. So let's get started.
So we'll just do all this satin. This is all satin to look cool. Oh my god. Why is there dog food in the wheel well?
What is that?
I don't know. It looks like dog food. You wanna try it?
Strong, it goes strong.
Dude, I think it's animal poop, bro.
What?
You gonna throw up?
It's just not a cool sight.
Rap Dojo lesson number 1.
Or 31.
God. Clean your rap space before you rap. So right now we have the front bumper of the Audi taken apart, as you can see. A lot of people don't really show this, and a lot of people don't realize how much work actually goes into a quality wrap job, because a lot of people just wrap things on the car. But we actually take things apart if we need to kind of get around these edges here. So right now we're in the process of doing the fog light area. These little things need to come out. So we got the front grille on the Audi painted black, and it's back on, so we're gonna reinstall it back onto the car now. Sean, why do you have a Pro Series blade when you're not a pro?
Because I am a pro. I didn't have to pay for that. Sponsor.
What are you looking at?
My word.
How is it?
Very bad. Probably give it a 50%.
That's higher than your normal work,
Higher than my Call of Duty stats. Oh,
but not worse than Raul's. Okay, so Sean's wrapping up on the wrap.
No, he did wrap up.
Whatever. Anyways,
done.
we tuned this car too at the same time, so we're gonna do a quick test drive just to make sure that the tune is working properly and that it is pushing more horsepower than ever before.
Wait for a minute to let the car warm up a little bit more. Why did Sean say it felt more aggressive? It feels the same.
Moments later.
Holy That one was good. That one was really good. Oh yeah, it's definitely faster than before. It spun all 4 tires. I didn't know it could do that. I feel like this would give a Model S a run for its money. Even though it is gas, the instant, because the peak torque is like right at where you brake boost.
That was actually scarier than the GTR.
Really?
Yeah, it felt scarier than the GTR.
It's so much weight that's moving back. I think that has a big effect on it. You can feel it even when I'm just torquing, how far back the car leans.
Oh yeah, for sure.
Oh, that one kind of hurt my chest, dude.
Yeah, I felt it. Audi S8 went from a dark gray to now an all satin black. What do you guys think? Full car vinyl wrap, as you can see, from bumper to bumper. This was a project, but it is worth it. It looks so much meaner now. When it comes to vinyl wraps, a lot of people don't realize how much work goes into it, at least when we do them. Depending on the car, we take off panels just to make sure we get a nice wraparound, and that's something that a lot of people don't realize when it comes to the time it takes to actually properly wrap a car. This really helps in getting a much better end result because then it looks like paint. It would have been super easy just to make everything satin black, but we want to have a little bit of a contrast, so any of the chrome badging or pieces on the car would turn those into gloss black. That way it still keeps with the same color scheme, but it has a little bit of a contrast just so then the whole thing doesn't look like one solid blob of a color. And I'll quickly talk about the wheels since we did put these on about a couple years ago. These are Vossen HF2s in tinted matte gunmetal. Nice square fitment front and rear, which is what the Audi S8s call for. Same concavity front and rear, and of course flush fitment, so that always is a good thing. And to finish everything off, we also did a heads-up display for this. Adds a little bit of a new technology into this S8. So we didn't just vinyl wrap the entire car, we also ceramic coated on top of that. That way it's a little bit easier to clean and maintain since this is the vinyl wrap. So you know what that means. We're going to be doing a water beam test. So a quick rundown what ceramic coating is it's a coating that you apply on top of the surface, in this case the vinyl, makes the paint hydrophobic. It's like wax basically. Makes it a little bit shinier, water beads off, water sheets off of it. We're going to use this to pour it on the hood and on the fenders just to show you guys. So what we're looking for is water sliding off immensely, and if they're not sliding off, then they should look like little perfect droplets of water. That is exactly what I'm looking for. So as you can see, water is not staying on, it's just completely dry as it slides off. This is so cool. I love doing this. Look at that. And the little droplets that are still on, as you can see, they're perfect little circles, which is what we're looking for. So those will slide off eventually, and especially with a little bit of driving, the wind's gonna blow it right off. All right guys, that's it for the vlog. Thank you so much for watching. If you want to work on your car, so hit us up. Our contact info in the description down below. We will see you next time.